Now there is a question number 7th we are solving in it. The question number 7th is find the square root of 7 correct to two decimal places. Okay, then use it to find the value of under root, that means square root of 4 plus root 7 upon 4 minus root 7 correct to 3 significant digits. Now significant digits are here and correct to 2 decimal places. There is the difference between the two things, 2 decimal places and significant digits. 3 significant digits that we will learn once we solve this question. Okay, let us understand the difference between correct to 2 decimal places and correct to 3 significant digits. Okay, now find the square root of root 7, that is the first question. Okay, so let us find out the square root of 7 by using a division method. How many digits we want for root 7? Correct to 2 decimal places. If we want 2 decimal places, that means to make it as a round figure we need 3 digits, or we can say 3 pairs to get 2 decimal places. Okay, we have taken 3 pairs of zeros. Since the 7 is unpaired, we can take 0 along with that on the right side of 7. Now students, tell me whose square is less than 7. It is 2. 2 square is what? 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Take the next pair down, but before that pair there is a decimal point, so put the decimal in quotient. Okay, and then we can allow to take this down. It becomes 300. Now here 2 plus 2, what we are getting? 4. Okay, now with this 4 we have to add such a number, we have to put such a number by multiplying with the same number. We must get the number less than 300. So we have put up here 6, and when we multiply by 6 to this 46, we get the number less than 300, and that is 276. Correct? Make a subtraction. Plus 6, because 6 is here, add 6 in it. Okay, this subtraction gives us 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay, and addition of these 2 is 52. Okay, so second pair of 0 will come down here. It becomes 2400. Okay, now what we have to do, let us take, along with this 52, we will take one more number. By multiplying with the same number, we should get a number less than 2400. Okay, so that number is what? 4. Take a 4 here. So when we multiply 524 by 4, what we are getting? 4 4s are 16, 1 carry, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9, and 4 5s are 20. Okay, then subtraction. 10 minus 6, 4, 9 minus 9, 0, and it is 304. Okay, add the 4 in it. What we are getting? 5 2 8. Right? Now let us take next pair down here. 528. Along with this, here we have to put such a number. By multiplying with the same number, we should get a number less than 30,400. Okay, so that number is what? 5. Put the 5 here also. So 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 5 8s are 40 plus 2, 42, 4 carry, 5 2s are 10 plus 4, 14, 1 get carry, 5 5s are 25 plus 2, 25 plus 1, 26. Correct? Subtraction. 10 minus 5 is 5, 10 minus 2 is 8, then it becomes 3, 13 minus 4 is 9, and last is 10 minus 6 is 3. Sorry, 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay, 10 minus 5 is 5, it becomes 9, 9 minus 2 is 7. So like this. Okay, now the question is what? Square root of 7. We get 2.645. Okay, now students, if we want to take only the 2 digits after the decimal point, then what is the procedure here? If the third digit, we want only the 2 digits, right? We don't want this third digit. But to round off this, the procedure is what? If our third digit is 5 or less than 5, then make a addition of 1 in it. Okay, we have to add 1 in this 4 to get a round up figure. So therefore, root of 7 in the 2 digits after the decimal point will be 2.65. Okay, 2.65. So I hope all of you have understood how to round up after the 2 digits, after the decimal 2 digits. Okay, and in case if less than 5 is there, then the final answer will be 2.64 only. No need to make a addition of 1 in it or reduction of 1 in it. So it will be the same. If this third digit is less than by, we have to add only if this third digit is 5 or greater than 5. Okay, remember this thing. Now the question is, what was the question? Find the square root of 7 correct to the 2 decimal places. That already we calculated here by using this division method. Now the second part of the question, use this value to find out the square root of 4 plus root 7 upon 4 minus root 7 correct to 3 significant digits. Okay, correct to 3 significant digits. Correct to the 3 significant digits means in the final answer there must be the 3 digits. Like here, 1, 2, 3. Total number of digits are 3. So that is called as significant digits. Okay. See, now let us find out the square root of it. So what we have to do here, whatever the given number is here, this is the given number. If here is the minus sign, multiply the both numerator and denominator with the 4 plus root 7 plus root 7, 4 plus root 7. We will think about the denominator only. Don't think about the numerator right now. Think about the denominator. If in the denominator minus sign is here, we will take the plus sign 4 plus root 7 and multiply to both numerator and denominator. Now 4 plus root 7 multiplied by 4 plus root 7, it will become 4 plus root 7 whole square. 2 times is there, that means one pair is completed. Okay, and then in the denominator 4 minus root 7, 4 plus root 7, that is a minus b, a plus b, identity. Okay, so it becomes a square minus b square. So here the aim is 4, so that we can write here 4 square minus root of 7 square. Okay, now see what will happen here. Under the root, 4 plus root 7 whole square upon, what is the square of 16? 4. And what is the square root of 7 square? So can we write it in this way? Square root of 7 means what? 7 into 7. Root of 7 into 7. One pair of 7 is there. It means 7 will come out from the root sign. So that means the value of square root of 7 will become 7. Or simply, whenever the square root and square is there, the final answer should be a number which is inside the root. Now 16 minus 7 is how much? 16 minus 7 is 9. Okay, 16 minus 7 is 9. So it becomes 4 plus root of 7 whole square. Subtraction of these two gives us 9. Okay, again square and square root, that means in the same way 2 bracket square. So what will happen? 4 plus root 7, 4 plus root 7. One pair of 4 plus root 7 is there. So it means 4 plus root of 7 will come out from the root sign because one pair is completed. Okay, so therefore 4 plus root 7 will come out from the root sign. 9, whose square root is 9? It is 3. Okay, so once we get this answer, then what was our question? Use the value of this root 7 to find out the final answer. So already we calculated the value of root 7 in our question. Okay, so 4 plus, what is the value of root 7 that we calculated? Here it is. Root 7 means 2.65. So let us put this here, 2.65. Instead of the root 7 we are substituting 2.65 and it is divided by 3. Okay, now the addition of these two numbers will become 6.65. 6.65 and divided by 3. Correct? So here when we divide it by 3, then what should be the final answer? 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. And see, I am dividing here. 6.65 is divided by 3. Just for your understanding, 3 2s are 6. 0 point, so point is here. 6 will come down. 3 2s are 6. Again 0, 5 will come down. 3 1s are 3. 2. Then already the point is there, that means we can take 0. 6s are how much? 18. So like this it will go on. So that means 2.216. Okay, it is the answer. But what was the question? We want to convert the given number only in the 3 significant digits. 3 significant digits means what? 1, 2 and 3. We want only this much as answer. Only 3 significant digits. Okay, then what is the procedure then? If our next number, which we are not including in our final answer, if it is 5 or greater than 5, we must add 1 in it. Okay, then the final answer will become what? 2.2. When we add 1 in this one, we are getting 2. So 2.22 will be the final answer. 2.22 will be the final answer. Okay. Next, question number 9th is this. Find the square root of we want to find out the square root of. First is 1764 and 2809. Okay, so let us find out the square root of it by using a division method. 1764, this is first pair and this is the second pair. 17, whose square is less than 17? We know that 4 4s are 16, so minus, subtraction gives us 1, 64 will come down. Then 4 plus 4, we have to add 4 in it. 4 plus 4, it gives us 8. Now here we have to put such a number whose multiplication will be less than 164 or 164. Okay, so we have taken 2 2 2, and by multiplying 2, what we are getting? 164. So ultimately it is 0 as a remainder, it becomes 84. Okay, similarly next is 2809, first pair and the second pair. Okay, 2809 is here. So for 2809, whose square is less than 28? That is 5. 5 square is 25. Correct. So 5 is here. Plus 5. 5 plus 5 becomes 10. Subtraction gives us 3. 09 will come down. Now along with this 10, we have to put such a number whose multiplication is 309. So that is 3. So when we multiply it by 3, what we are getting? 309. So it is okay. So as we know, square root of this given number, square root of is, first is numerator is 42 and denominator is 53. That is the final answer. 42 upon 53 will be the final answer. Square root of first number is 42 and square root of our denominator is 53. So 42 upon 53 is the final answer. Got it? Next, fourth one we are solving from the same. 0.01 plus under root 0.0064. So 0.01 will remain same. Now see, here let us remove the decimal number so that our calculation will become simple for us. If we want to remove this decimal, how many digits are there after the decimal? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there. So we should take 10,000 as a denominator, and it is 64. Got it? Now 0.01 plus 64 is a perfect square root of 8, and 10,000 is a perfect square root of 100. So it becomes 8 upon 100, right? Or again, if we want to convert it into decimal, this part if we want to convert it into decimal, it will become 0.08. Got it? Addition of these two gives us 0.09. So 0.09 will be the final answer. Got it? Okay. In the same, there is a next question. Question number 3rd. That is square root of 108 and 2028. So to solve this question, instead of the multiplication, we can also solve it by using a simple factorization method. Okay, prime factorization method. 108. Let us find out the prime factors of 108. Prime factors of 108. 108. What it is? 2 5s are 2 4s are. Again 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are. 3 9s are, 3 3s are, and 3 1s are. Correct? These are the prime factors of 108. And similarly 2028. Let us find out the factors of 2028. So it is 2 1 0 1 4. Again 2 5s are 0 and 7. So when we divide it by 3, it becomes 3 ones are 3, 2 is remainder, 6 nines are 169. So as we know, 169 is a perfect square of 13 13s are and 13 ones are, right? So all these are the prime factors of 108, and 2028 is calculated. So what we will do now, let us put up their values. 108, 2 times 2 and 3 times 3. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Got it? Similarly, the prime factors of 2028. 2 times 2, it is 2 times 2. Then 1 times 3 and 2 times 13. So these are the prime factors of 2028. Got it? So once we get a prime factors, let us make a pair. There is a one pair of 2. So what will happen? 2 will come out. Similarly, again one pair of 3. So 3 will come out from the root sign. Then one pair of 3, and here it is one pair of. Then one more pair of 2, and the last pair of 13. Correct? So these are the paired numbers. And when we make a multiplication of all this, what we are getting? 468. Multiplication is 468. So this is the final answer. Okay. Then question number 12th. Question number 12th, what it is? Find the least number which must be added to 1205 so that the resulting number is a perfect square. It is question number 12. So already we have done such type of question in the previous examples. Again, similar type of question is that the given number is 1205. Now what we have to do? The question is related with the addition. We have to add something in the 1205 so that the number will become a perfect square. So let us find out the square root of this. Whose square is less than 12? It is 3. 3 square is 9. So 12 minus 9 is 3. 0, 5 will come down. Plus 3, it becomes 6. Along with the 6, we should add such a number whose multiplication gives us less than 305. So that is 4. Okay? 4. 64 into 4 gives us what? 256. Subtraction is what? 49 is the subtraction. Correct. Now see what will happen if we subtract 49 from this given number, the resulting number a perfect square of 34. But we want to add something in it, no? So when we add something in it, then what is the next number of 34? It is 35. So this resulting number after addition will become a perfect square of 35. Okay. So students, what is a perfect square of 35? Perfect square of 35, or we can say square of 35, is 1225. Okay. Now see what will happen here. Make a subtraction of 1225 and 1225 minus 1205. So what we get? Subtraction of these two, it is 20. Correct? So it means once we add 20 in this number, it is going to become as 1225, and which is a perfect square of 35. Therefore we must add 20 in 1205 to get perfect square. Okay, understood till here? Okay, now let us discuss the shortcut method, okay, to find out the squares. So today I will teach only the one or two methods, shortcut tricks to find out the squares. For example, suppose if 25 is there, we want to make a square of 25. Basically it is related with the unit place is 5. If the unit place is 5, then only this method is applicable. Okay, see, 5 square is, first we will write 25, correct. Now the tens place is 2 and the next of 2 is what? 3. Understood? 2 and 3, product of 2 and 3 is 6. So 625 is a perfect square of 25. Similarly, if we want to make a square of 65, unit place is 5, write a 25 here. 6, next of the 6 is 7, है ना, next of the 6 is 7. 6 sevens are 42, that we should write. If we want to find out the square of 85, then how we can write? Since the unit place is 5, write 25 here. Okay, 8, next of the 8 is 9. 8 nines are how much? 8 nines are 72. So this is the answer. If we want to find out the square of 95, then 25 is here. Next number of 9 is 10. 9 tens are, 9 into 10 is 90. Understood this? I hope all of you like this method, which is a shortcut method and it is applicable if unit digit is 5. Okay, so for today we will stop here. Thank you all of you.